Hello and welcome my dear students, third prep, second term. Presentation of the new vocab of Unit 8 والتي تأتي تحت عنوان Protecting our planet. Protecting our planet. حماية كوكبنا. داخلين هذه اليونت لتحقيق بعض الobjectives الأهداف اللي منها أن نقرأ عن climate change. التغيرات المناخية حول العالم. أيضا من ضمن الرايتنج داخلين نتكلم على فكرة recycling إعادة تدوير فيما يفيد البيئة. يبقى الهدف الرئيسي كله أشياء تتعلق كلها بالenvironment and protecting our planet. Let's start presenting the vocab of lessons. تلوث الهواء air pollution وليست pollution اليو ضمة خفيفة. air pollution إزالة الغابات deforestation ذوبان الثلوج melting ice مقلب النفايات landfill site طاقة متجددة renewable energy الحكومة government التغير المناخي climate change الاحتباس الحراري global warming ثاني أكسيد الكربون carbon dioxide غازات الاحتباس الحراري greenhouse gases الوقود الحفري fossil fuels غاز الميثان ميثان الطاقة الشمسية solar energy مواد كيميائية chemicals كوكب planet ونفرق بين planet و plant نبات planet كوكب غاز الأكسجين oxygen خطير أو هام serious الأعشاب البحرية seagrass غابات الأمازون المطيرة the Amazon rainforest المنطقة القطبية الجنوبية Antarctic المنطقة القطبية الشمالية Arctic المناخ climate وليست climate إعادة التدوير recycling يحرق أو حريق fire والماضي لو هي verb fired يتطوع أو متطوع volunteer وتمشي أيضا noun و verb. إذا كانت verb volunteered يجمع collect والماضي collected شعاب مرجانية coral reefs معدن أو معدني metal يهدر أو يضيع أو نفايات waste والماضي wasted وتمشي noun وتمشي verb. يلوث pollute والماضي polluted يعيد تدوير recycle يقتل kill والماضي killed يسبب أو سبب cause والماضي caused وتمشي noun وتمشي verb. فيضان flood flood وليست flood flood. جفاف drought drought والاتنين عكس بعض. flood كثرة الماء، drought ندرة الماء. صوبة أو بيت زجاجي greenhouse greenhouse. طاقة الرياح wind power wind power. الزراعة farming farming. حرائق الغابات forest fires forest fires. بترول أو نفط oil. النقل أو المواصلات transport. الرسم البياني graph graph. كهرباء electricity electricity. غاز gas gas. معدات equipment equipment. الصناعة industry. يفاجئ أو يدهش surprise. يزداد أو يزيد increase increase increase. والماضي increased. مشمس sunny sunny. موجة wave. شمسي solar. ينتج أو يولد أو يخلق produce produce والماضي produced. irregular verbs يدفع مالا، يدفع فلوس يعني pay paid paid. يتحدث speak spoke spoken. يتحدث speak spoke spoken. يفهم understand understood understood. يبقى أو يظل أو يحفظ keep kept kept. يختار choose chose chosen. يبني build built built. يفقد أو يخسر lose lost lost. يجد find found found. Study these definitions. تعريفات هامة. الكلمة الرئيسية memorize بنكون حافظينها، لكن الديفينيشن بنكون understand نفهمه. air pollution damage caused to the air by chemicals and waste. landfill site a place where people leave rubbish on the land, or a place where rubbish is taken, often to be buried under the ground. Melting ice, a problem in the Arctic and Antarctic because of global warming. Deforestation, when all the trees in an area are cut down. Warmer seas, something that can kill coral reefs. اللي هو احترار البحار. Warmer seas. Keep, to continue doing or do again and again. يمتص, absorb absorb. To take in liquid or heat through a surface. Fossil fuels, natural materials such as petrol and oil that you can burn for energy. Methane, a greenhouse gas that is made from landfill sites. A natural gas often produced by animals and dead plants. Renewable, clean energy from the sun or wind. Renewable energy, ده تعرفها clean energy from the sun or wind, or natural energy that doesn't disappear or burn when you use it. Solar energy, the energy we get from the sun. Farming, the business of growing crops. and looking after animals for food. Avoid, deliberately stay away from someone or something. Deliberately stay away from someone or something، يعني intentionally، عن تعمد بتبعد عن شخص أو شيء. Deliberately. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, a gas which we breathe out and which is produced by burning fossil fuels. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels. Greenhouse gas, a gas in the air such as carbon dioxide which can cause global warming. Collocations، متلازمات لفظية. يزداد سوءا get worse. يزداد سخونة get hotter. يسبب التغير المناخي cause climate change. ينتج غازات الاحتباس الحراري create greenhouse gases. ينبعث منه غاز make a gas. يصدر صوتا عاليا make a loud noise. يعزف على البيانو play the piano. يصبح أكثر دفئا become warmer. ينجح في الامتحانات pass exams. والآن نأتي إلى reading passages و listening texts، واللي هنشوف من خلالها توظيف الكلمات اللي استمعنا لها الآن. In the cities of Cairo, Giza and Fayoum, there is a project that is teaching people about climate change and how to help the environment by recycling rubbish. Over 400 women volunteers visit houses in these cities every week. The volunteers ask people to put their rubbish into 3 different bins for plastic, paper, and metal. When the volunteers come back a week later, they pay the families money for the rubbish they have collected. Then they take away the rubbish for the recycling. If families collect their paper, plastic, and metal, we will pay them for it, says Dalia. Then we can take away the rubbish and recycle it. It's a great solution to a big problem because the family gets some money and we help the environment. Reading. Our planet is getting hotter and our weather is changing. There are more floods, droughts, and forest fires than at any time in history. One of the reasons for this is climate change. Climate change is caused by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. These are made when we burn fossil fuels such as oil. Rubbish in landfill sites makes a greenhouse gas called methane. Deforestation also produces greenhouse gases. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air. When we cut down trees, the carbon dioxide stays in the air. If we keep burning fossil fuels, climate change will get worse. So we need to use cleaner renewable energy such as solar energy and wind power. We must start recycling more rubbish and stop putting rubbish in landfill sites. If we recycle more paper, we can avoid cutting down our forests. This will help slow down climate change. Building causes 60% of our greenhouse gases. If we keep building houses in the same way, global warming will continue. I think we should decide to build houses that need to use less electricity from fossil fuels. We can do this by planning to build houses that use renewable energy. We should also avoid leaving all our electrical equipment on when we are not using it. ولنا لقاء إن شاء الله في الحصة مع general notes on reading and listening.